Right, so it is Saturday morning. I'm just approaching now the classic car depot. Sean's giving me a bell telling me he's got a car and we need to get it ready for auction or for sale, but it needs some work doing to it. So I'm just about to pull up now and check it out and then see what we need to do. All right, so follow me. Hi, matey. Hard at work?
I think spring's coming. I've got the feeling of cleaning.
So I've just been telling everybody that I'm just arrived there because you got a car and you need some work doing to it.
My 1960 Beetle, which I basically found in a garage in Stockholm under a house.
All right, so it hasn't been on the road since then?
Well, now it has been. Now we've got it fixed.
Okay.
But it basically, I'm a third owner on the car.
All right, so you've actually bought this car?
Yeah.
All right, okay. So what's the plan then?
As a private seller,
right?
How can you sell your car?
So little improvements that you can do before you put your car up, yeah, just to give it more value, yeah.
A little improvements, and also what channel should I use for selling?
Okay.
I mean, I work for an auction company, of course I can do that.
Yeah.
But I'm going to look at it, and we'll look at the model. We'll do like a little bit of a review and find out what kind of prices they're selling for. A guide to like a little bit like for a consumer.
All right. Okay, so what we're going to do now then?
Well,
because I see you got this mop thing in your hand, yeah?
This was purely for cleaning.
All right.
This car has never been, only thing I've ever done to this car is washed it. So if you look on here, I mean, look how dirty the car is.
Oh, yeah. There's loads of grime in the paint there.
So basically, since I've dragged it out of the garage, all I've done is basically just washed it. But then again, I'm more of a guy that likes the cars to be driven, and I'm not really like a polishing guy. So
you like it kind of rough and ready, yeah?
Yeah, I kind of like these ones where a little bit patina and stuff like that. I think it's a little bit more charming, original.
Right. But we're going to do something different with this though, yeah? Because you listen, you called me up there, so I'm guessing you need my services, yeah?
Exactly, Gary the polisher. No, I think we'll. I did do a little spot somewhere on the wing. I don't know if you can't really see in here, but it will be a massive difference. Yeah, the paint is oxidised.
I mean, just by looking, it looks like it's got a load of paint on it, but but obviously it's really dull.
It's been repainted, and I guess it's repainted back in the. I guess it was painted in the early 70s. You can see here when I found the car. There was like black tape here. Okay. It was like a fashion thing. They put black tape all the way above here. So when we took it off, it took the paint off.
Oh, right. Okay, that's not good.
So it even shows people where they can get this done.
All right. When you say done, what do you mean?
I'm going to go to a place, a specialist place in Bro, so I can colour match this.
Okay.
So we can...
just patch it up, yeah? And get it. All right, nice.
And I'll show you other places on the net where you can get this done as well.
Tremendous.
The only thing is usually it's hard for people because they don't have the original paint code.
Exactly.
Or the car's been repainted again. So
yeah.
But I know this colour, so
all right.
Try and fix that.
All right. So first things first. You've washed the car already, eh? It looks like it's been washed.
Yep.
All right. So let's try and bring some shine back to the outside of that. I'm basically going to pull a polishing machine out. And just run it over there, mate, and we'll see what it looks like afterwards, yeah? So here's a picture of it now, and we'll get a picture of it later. Okay, so tip 1, check your fuel lines and your pumps and make sure that you're getting good fuel delivery and make sure you've got none of that nasty old fuel left in your tanks. The brakes on these cars are notorious for seizing up when the car's been left unused for a period of time. So that's going to involve a few bits and pieces that you're going to need to bring in to get your braking system back up to working order, and a little bit of labour time as well. And tip 3 will be show your car some love, which means buff up the paint, get inside the car, clean it up, and any small fixes you can see around the car, get them done, and that's just going to boost the price.
Here we have the master at work. I think you can start to see just some small benefits of a polish after 50 years of
neglect.
That's nearly as shiny as Gary's head. Not shiny. Shiny. Not shiny.
So roughly just over an hour, yeah. This is what we have.
Glides, smooth feeling.
Yeah, it does feel great, doesn't it? So it was, you know, it just needed a little bit of TLC, and here we are.
It's smooth. Before it was just like, it was like Sahara Desert.
What have you done mechanically to the car?
Changed all the brake system.
Yeah.
Because that was completely stuck.
That's always the case with these cars when they've been sitting around for a while, isn't it?
45 years, 50 years.
Yeah.
Electrics had a new besickening. It's a new inspection, so it
All
never
right.
needs to go again. That's it. It's finished.
I see it's done now, yeah.
So the beauty of owning this car is it's no tax, road tax, and there's no inspections.
Yeah.
And it costs you about £1,000 a year insurance.
Right, so let's take a look at the total spend so far of this VW Beetle from 1960. The car cost 53,000 crowns. That's the base. Parts were mainly to do with the braking system, and that added up to around 3,000 crowns. And there was an extra 1,000 crowns spent on various bits and pieces to do with the electrical system to get them up and running. So the total cost at this point is 57,000 crowns. And we decided to put the car out for auction. Let's see how we did. So I hope you really enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. And we'll see you all again next week for some more Cars of Sweden live.